here, wise guy.
See those smokers on the roof by the gas station?
I need you to clear them up while I go.
Jocks won't be messing with us. They know we'll give them too much grief.
Tell me you're lying. So yeah, those preps think money can make them cool.
Okay, well, you've got problems.
Okay, buddy, you asked for it.
Are you guys gonna stop fighting?
Getting scared, pinhead.
No!
Oh, right in the hot rod.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
What's the word?
How's it
See you
going?
after the bomb drops.
I hope he won't think I'm cheap.
Wish these people could. What's going on?
Then our roundhouse kick floor is the Bullworth St.
Students are reminded not to write on walls. It is a filthy habit.
Oh, I see. You're too smart for classes.
Ah, I do love the smell of formaldehyde in the morning. Patience, Hopkins. You can't rush science. No, no! Gently, carefully. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open? Great work! Perhaps I judged you poorly, Hopkins.
Oh, yeah!
I wish someone would cause some
All
scuzz
right.
bucket.
I'm worried that I'm not participating enough in class.
I hope the police got my application.
I have to train harder.
I never tell a lie unless it's a white lie.
No, that's a surprise, because you're pretty cool.
I don't like having to learn
Hi.
as a gym teacher. He's such a creep.
What are you
Maybe
doing?
she'll come up to my room and I'll show her my John Elway on.
That's pretty disappointing.
Anywho, I think summer break should be like 5 months
I
long.
wonder if I'll ever hit someone so hard their hair will come off.
Always has to wreck stuff.
Machiavelli's prince is overrated, she says.
Where did you get that from?
Sky fell on my head. I don't think I feel any worse than you right now.
You know you're not
Like
allowed
I
to
want a
do
stinking
that, right?
friendship bracelet. Jeez.
Hailing frequency open.
Total, utter gross out. General Custer made a tragic mistake.
Hey! Park your glutes at a desk, ASAP! Come on! Beg for me!
Everyone should be eating a full breakfast before class and getting at least 8 hours rest. to being a respectable percussionist.
I'm getting good at this.
If I don't get that A, my mom
Always say the wrong thing.
Please, nobody heard me today.
Everyone seems to be jerks in this place.
How can I be expected to survive on so little food? Greetings, comrades.
Have you ever broken someone else's bones?
Nah, your days are numbered.
I'm gonna love busting.
Lame boy. Stuff your mouth.
What's your problem?
More people could just educate themselves. I really want to drive a car. Have you ever driven? Wise choice. Whoa, calm down.
Take care.
You're such a doo-doo man. There's so much graffiti around these days. I think it makes this place look like even more of a dump. Miss Phillips gave me her phone number.
Do you even realize how much you suck?
You wanna fight? Let's go! I'm wearing my boots of ass kickery! You cannot harm me! I'm wearing my rings of protection!
Wanna see me lose it?
Right in my jabberwocky!
When I'm done with you,
Locked on target.
shut. You'll be eaten through a straw. Just keep your nose clean.
Charity
I just
case.
might beat you.
I'm gonna break you! Just putting you in your place. Did something just move in here?
You'll rue the day, Jimmy. You'll rue the day. I didn't even know you could get a rash there. Don't speak to a prefect unless you're spoken
Don't
to.
look at me.
You want me to call the nurse now?
You're garbage!
Get lost. Why do you guys keep picking on me? Get lost, pal. I just can't stand her.
Too many bushes around here.
Jim, dude, where's my bike?
Let's do this.
I'm much obliged. Now that's just a shame right there.
Girls around here are pretty stuck up until I show them what's what. Sasuke, I wish I knew how you like t-shirt.
I really love Aquaberry. Maybe Daddy will buy me stock in the company.
Scram!
I'll catch you! Woohoo!
Don't think too soon! I'm having a blast!
How can a cheerleader be? Give me that strap down, Bullworth.
Jim, you're a stand-up fella. Thank you.
Hey, kid, it's me. Remember me?
Oh, great, it's the crazy lunatic.
What was that?
Oh, nothing, mister.
Hey, I'm, Santa Claus, right?
Oh, yeah, right, Santa Claus. How could I forget? We met a few times when you crept into my bedroom when I was asleep as a kid, then only more recently when you were drunk under a bridge. You're right, man. How could I forget a fine role model like you?
Ho, ho. Now, listen up. There's an imposter going around claiming he's me. He's ripping people off by posing for Santa pictures and charging for it. That's my money! If you take care of this imposter, then I can take what's rightfully mine and cut you in on the action, of course. What do you say?
Well, I wasn't expecting much in my stocking this year, so why not?
That's a spirit.
Take it down to my
shoes going right up your hole. I'm gonna run your teenagers.
I'll show you Christmas rage.
I'm the first
Why
kid.
Christmas is ruined.
That's how it's done.
Hey there.
I've got to get my life in order. Hello, potential customer.
They'll all be sorry.